Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Select 4 large eggs at room temperature for even cooking. Place eggs in a pot, cover with cold water by 1 inch, bring to a rolling boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer and cook for 10 minutes for a firm yolk. Immediately transfer eggs to an ice water bath and cool for 5 minutes to stop cooking and ease peeling. Peel under running water, then chop eggs into roughly half-inch pieces so the sandwich retains bite and distributes yolk and white evenly. In a medium bowl, combine 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon white vinegar for balanced tang and creaminess. Add 3/4 teaspoon fine salt and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Adjust by taste, but start with these measures. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon finely chopped chives or a pinch of smoked paprika for aroma. Fold the chopped eggs gently into the mayo mixture to keep texture, stirring only until combined so the sandwich stays creamy and not pureed. Choose 2 slices of sturdy white or whole wheat bread and lightly toast if you prefer crunch. Spread 3 to 4 tablespoons of egg mayo onto 1 slice of bread in an even layer. Place the second slice on top, or add lettuce for contrast. For richer flavor, butter the outside of each slice with 1 teaspoon softened butter before toasting a pan-crisped sandwich. Slice in half, then chill the assembled sandwich for 10 minutes to let flavors meld. Serve at room temperature or slightly cool for best texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.